MagSafe is back, something we've known since the iPhone 12 launch. Yes, I know, but it's still something to get excited about. Even more so now that other companies are getting involved in creating accessories specifically with this new feature in mind. Hi, hello, it's George Michael here today to chat to you about magnets and cameras. If you already know who Moment are, you're probably a photography enthusiast. They got started with lenses that you could attach to your phone to give yourself different perspectives and overall up the quality of your mobile photos and videos. They've since expanded significantly and have a new line of accessories all centered around MagSafe that isn't just for shutterbugs. Let's start with the case. You won't need one to use these accessories, but if you want to go all in with this ecosystem, it is in your best interest. Plus, they look slick. Sleek, minimal, great texture. And if you're a Moment lens user, the simple click-in mount enables you to use those lenses on your iPhone. Getting into the actual mounts, there's the car vent, the cold shoe, wall, tripod, pro tripod landscape and portrait, along with my favorite, the multi-threaded mount. From that list, you can see that not all of those are just camera focused. I'm going to keep dropping that hint so it pays off in the end. It's called foreshadowing. For the mounts that are camera-centric, they're great add-ons for the phone shooter. The tripod versions have a 1/4-20 screw thread on the bottom, and the Pro versions have a cold shoe attachment on the top that you can use to add a light or a microphone. When I've got it all rigged up, this is what my iPhone 12 mini looks like in cinema mode. All these add-ons fit away in a compact bag and give me a whole lot more flexibility when it comes to capturing. Now about my favorite mount, the multi-threaded mount. Why is this one my favorite? Well, as a cinematographer by trade, I feel very at home looking at and using this thing. It has multiple 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting holes, so I can attach a lot of my accessories that I put onto a cinema camera cage onto this and put them in other hard to get to places. Whether you're using your phone to monitor the image coming out of your larger cinema camera, or you've got an assistant who's using your phone to control different features of that camera, it's often better in these scenarios to have your phone mounted somewhere permanently, or semi-permanently in this case, versus having to take it in and out of your pocket when you need to use it. And a bonus feature for all those tiny accessories that are 1/4-20 screw based, like a light or a microphone, you can screw it onto here, and in situations where you don't want to put up another stand, where you don't have a place to put those things easily, anywhere you can put a magnet, you can put a light or a microphone. Multi-purpose, multi-threaded, big win. As for the car vent and wall mounts, they work exactly as you'd expect from their names. The car vent solves the "where does my phone go in this rental car" guessing game, and the wall mount makes for a great hands-free solution to cooking and longer FaceTime calls where you don't want to slowly let your angle shift from quality selfie to the perspective of a flashlight on Halloween. The wall mount, you can use the sticky adhesive or you can screw it into the wall. All of these feel really secure. At first, I was a bit worried about trusting MagSafe in a filming situation. What if something gets bumped? It's rare, but I have knocked my wallet off my phone accidentally a few times, having it for a few months. But in this case, we're talking about phones or lights or more expensive accessories and stuff that can't take a fall. But here, these magnets feel much stronger. Moment is calling their proprietary array of magnets M-Force, and when using just Moment accessories, it definitely feels stronger than your standard MagSafe. If I want to hit it off, of course I can, but for the most part, it stays right where you leave it and can take a few bumps. You want to be able to say that it can take a hit about trusted camera equipment for pretty much any product. I thought I'd use this first clip I'm recording on my whole Moment cinema setup I've got going on here to ask you to subscribe to the 9 to 5 Mac channel. And while you're doing that, please leave a like on the video as well. These feel best as an ecosystem. That's what I was alluding to earlier when I said these aren't just for photography. It's clear that Moment's intention was to make more of a lifestyle product with these. Things you can adapt your habits to and actively use. And when it comes time to record something, the accessories for that, they don't get in the way. They just snap into place. As a filmmaker who had already been planning on submitting at least one short to this year's Moment International Film Festival, it was great to play with this stuff early. So thanks to Moment for gifting these our way. I can definitely see how this will make certain shots just so much easier when you're recording on your phone. But so that I do not have an advantage in that competition, I'll be putting these away until I'm able to finish that short film. Down the road, I'm going to be adding a few of those multi-threads for sure, but it's the car and wall mounts I see people most likely to add happily to their lifestyles. I am George Michael. If you want to chat, leave a comment below or annoy me on my channel or on my social handles on the screen now or also in the description. The future of MagSafe is really exciting. How we integrate our phones to be an extension of the environment we're in will only lessen the barriers to creativity. I believe these accessories from Moment have done exactly that. Thanks for watching.